Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we will pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top right screen of the device. And somewhere here you will find a screen recorder. For me it is right over here, but if you don't see it in this panel, you can add it by clicking right here, clicking on the plus, and you can see toggles that are turned off. Anyway, so once you have this toggle added, you can then click on it. It brings up the screen recorder. So microphone is this is used to record sound, and then media and files, basically save it. We're going to select agree. Now by default, when it starts recording, it has the microphone enabled for some reason, so be very wary of that if you don't want to record it. This can be moved around, and don't worry, this is actually not visible on the recording. Now from here you can open up any kind of application that you want to record. Let's see if there's anything. Whatever, I'm just going to open up something like health. Okay, so there we go. We can see we have opened health. Anyway, once you're done recording, did I just split screen that? It looks like I did. There we go. So once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay right here. Click where the time is, and this will automatically save your recording. Now before it does, it gives you the option to share it by swiping it up. If you ignore it, it just goes away. So when it does disappear, you can find that captured recording in your gallery application, and you can see it right here at on the photos tab. Now this will be mixed with basically photos, videos, downloaded pictures or videos, movies, and whatever you have else on here. So it might not be too easy to find it later on down the line. So what you could do is navigate into albums, and in albums you will find screenshot album. Now here it's still going to be mixed up. Hello, there we go, camera. So here it's still going to be mixed up with other things like screenshots, but it's much easier to find your screen recordings between just screen recordings and screenshots rather than your entire media library. And you can see it right here. I can play it back. Now you'll see where my pen was touching the display. Oh, there we go. So this dot basically indicates the pen. Okay, so there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.